yize bengene kulomhlangano wabo wesibili benethemba lokuhle. Amaqembu aphikisayo ePhalamende aphume ngaphandle kwesivumelwano. Amaqembu aphikisayo athi imizamo ye-ANC yokuvikela uMengameli uJacob Zuma ukuthi angaphenduli imibuzo ePhalamende iyona efadalalise lesivumelwano.
It then became quite crystal clear that the ruling party or the African National Congress had affirmed and confirmed to us that the deal is off and they didn't want to be part of the deal. It's also clear about the fact that we then have not gotten further about getting a date for when the president will be coming to Parliament to come and account.
They've abandoned a political process and they are now looking for a shortcut. If they think the shortcut will give them a long-lasting solution in Parliament, then let's see if shortcut will work.
Kodwa iqembu le-ANC ligxeka wona amaqembu aphikisayo.
The deal is off that we had struck. It was largely breached by the DA's motion of censure against the president, which departed from the spirit around which the deal was struck.
Even now they're threatening to soil and spoil SONA. What do we expect? Do you expect the president to go down on his knees and beg them not to do that? I don't think the president is a president for that.
Lokhu kusho ukuthi ukuhilizisana nokungahloniphani okwenzeka ePhalamende kamva nje kusazoqhubeka. Nginguthula Sizwe Semelane eGoli.